morning. I'm on my way to go drop off little Missy to school. Put your seatbelt on, please. Okay, Mommy. Let's go. Okay. This is me coming out of the office. Let me just say, working at a nonprofit, especially your own nonprofit. It's not mine. It's my parents are the pastors, so we help run it. But I take it as my running a church legally as an official nonprofit with a 501c. There's so much work that goes into running a nonprofit. People don't understand. I'm driving in the parking lot around to the other side because the kids are bringing in the garbage cans. But anyways, we're going home now. Somebody's buckled up and he's not happy, but it's okay. My other kids went with my mom, who's driving behind us, because we literally live in the same apartment complex a block and a half away. We're doing this process right now that is so complicated and it is head-wrecking, and so if you go participate and you are part of a church, volunteer and help out. Do some office hours. Trust me, they need your help. Good morning, everybody. We're doing okay. We're doing better. We're not as sick as we used to be last week. Anora is going to school after missing a week and a half of school. Anora, agarra la scooter de Adriel, please. So, my kids didn't learn their lesson with their bike. I don't know if I showed you guys, but we were just driving on the apartment complex and I find my kid's scooter because he left it thrown out yesterday, and when he goes to get it, it's missing. Oh, these kids. So I don't know if I showed you guys, but this kid stole our bike about 2 weeks ago, and I ended up calling the cops because he's obviously a teenager, and I wanted my bike back. My main thing is I wanted the bike back. He stole our bike, went for a joyride, left it thrown out somewhere, and I guess somebody took it. And I left him a note on his door because I knew what kid it was. I was like, hey, you know, I know we all do mistakes. You did one, but I'm giving you a chance to redeem yourself. And so by the time he went to go try and find it where he had dropped it off, he found out that somebody else took it. So, and right now I just find my kid's scooter thrown out. My kids, I swear. We are outside because the kids are inside on their Zoom read aloud with their teacher, but someone's having a meltdown. Good night, you guys. Yes. Good night. Good night. It's raining. It's not bedtime. But I want you guys to listen to this.
I don't like here or there. I do not like them anywhere. I don't like green eggs and ham. I do not like them. Sam, I am.
She's reading green eggs and ham to them. So cute. I just dropped an egg. There. Okay, thank you. I love you.
Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, love,
Hey,
love,
Google.
I wanna be
Timer
strong,
for 15
strong.
minutes.
We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it.
I'm also gonna make atole de elote right now.
Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert, I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow? Grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change it, change it.
Yum. 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 Candy?
Yeah.
Mommy, why candy? Move. We got her to steal candy statue. Mommy. Mommy. Mommy, I have a joke. Remember? We watched a Christmas movie, the Christmas coming.
Nap time. We're gonna read Green Eggs and Ham. So like green eggs and ham. Thank you, Sam. I am. Okay, it's nap time. I haven't gotten gloves for you guys, but you fit really well.
We have two.
No, these are mine. I just want to see that they fit you guys. See? Good. We have beanies now for winter, but I'm thinking. I'm a literal hot mess, guys. We are surviving. Hold on. Let me get a little decent. Okay, so I also got one more delivery for us. The other one is for church. And I got one more for us, but I wanted the kids to leave before I open it because it's for them, but it's not for them. Let me explain it. We love our Picasso tiles. I got the carrying case for our travel little minis that I have in the car. And I got a few more people. We also got the mini cars because the set that we got came with one car and two people. I have 4 kids. If you have many kids, you know that causes fights. This is for the set that I have for when we are out. Like when I go to the office or we go to restaurants. This is what I use for them. So this is the set, the Picasso tiles, and these are the mini ones. And they're tiny. So these are perfect little travel things. We don't play with these at home. We don't play with these at home. Thank you. They're the same size. And this is the other car that came with it. And see? Perfect. So now we have 3, a blue, red, and a yellow. And there you go. A little travel case. So we take this to restaurants and church and places like that. Yep. Story of my life. Okay, walk to the car, guys. Come on. Yeah, let's go to the car. Oh my gosh. Come on. Come on.
Mommy.
Oh my gosh. Just editing this video and I realized I never ended it. So that's it for this vlog. See you next time.